I think Uma is to come in. Uma is not yet. Yeah.
Hi, lovely people. This is Anu Krishna and Raj, your hosts for this evening. And whoever's watching here, let me tell you, this is going to be a very delightful video that you are going to watch, not just because we're surrounded by a bevy of beauties here. It's also because we, from our heart, bring a very special project to you, which is written by children. And this is a book, an anthology that Rain Canvas has created, which is co-founded by Raj, also who goes by the name of A.R. Sarah. And she's a wonderful author for children's books. And I have been, the children who came as a part of this beautiful book called Medley of Tales, which is going to be launched tomorrow, released tomorrow on Kindle, and is also available in paperback. And these children, a couple of them have been mentored by me over almost 4 years. So it is more about tapping into the children's potential, their imagination, and giving it a voice so that they can express freely. And I have seen, how over a period of years, they would just write a couple of paragraphs and then tell me, ma'am, I can't do it anymore. And then slowly they started calling me auntie because they got very comfortable with me. And after which, I guess writing for them every Monday that they used to come and sit with me, those 1.5 hours, we used to be transported into a different realm altogether. It became more about their expression, giving a voice. Some of them, were even victims of bullying, and they were able to come out of these things just because they gave that voice through their characters. So for them, they've been exposed to not just fiction, but non-fiction. I mean, they would give any grown-up writer a run for their money. Finally, when, now it's released, that dream, that, and Raji very beautifully stepped into the time that she did. I mean, both of us, I mean, she's done so much of brilliant work inside. We had a workshop for the children. We took on all these stories, and I asked Raj, we've got a bunch of stories. Let's convert it into an anthology. And that's how. And before we knew it, the book was out, right? And then the next step came, okay, we have a book. Now what? I mean, you can't just sell it, right? I mean, it's just not about the commercial aspect of this entire beautiful thing. We wanted the children during this pandemic, to know that it's beyond money, it's beyond fame, recognition. There is something called being a contributor.
चलिए बताइए उतना दूर जाएगा
Somehow, we wanted the children at a very young age to understand that whatever they've written, there is somebody benefiting, there is something that they are doing, they're touching somebody's lives. And that's when I asked Raj, when we were discussing this in depth, I said, shouldn't it be that, the very first launch of Rain Canvas, which is a writing platform, a publishing platform, it's a dream for Raji and I coming true. Why does it, why don't we actually attach it to a beautiful cause? And then that's when Raji suggested, let us give more, let's push this. And, that's how Inner Wheel, when she suggested, and I didn't know, I'm very sorry, at that point I didn't know. And then when I started Googling, and I said, that's the thing, this is where we have to go, because you'll have been there, you know what this is. And you so graciously, when you accepted it, we decided to call this project Do My Bit Project. So each child has done their bit. They've touched, the lives of so many other children. We want that seed to be planted at a very young age so that they can carry it forever. Till, the day they're going to be talking about this to their children, their grandchildren. We wanted this to carry for the rest of their lives, whatever they do in the planet, this should be their first, that yes, they've been associated with a very beautiful social project. So to talk more about how, Inner Wheel came into the picture, thank you, Delna, so much. Thank you, all of you, being so gracious to accept this proposal. And Raj, now I'd like you to, take over and tell us about a little more about, Rain Canvas, the publishing, and how Inner Wheel just, fit in so beautifully, the jigsaw puzzle. Over to you, Raj.
Thanks, Anu. What a beautiful journey that you have detailed. And it all started with the creative process and with the mentoring that you did. And it started with writing, penning down the imaginations of the children. And while the process of writing and the view of the world and beyond as a writer, as an author, is mesmerizing, right? Now, I would like to talk a little bit more about the agony and ecstasy of being a publisher. Yes, because that took the journey forward to where we are. And as we all know, right now it is not easy being a publisher in these challenging times. So what is it that draws a publisher to a manuscript? Let me tell you, it is something that goes beyond all the other factors, be it commercial or other aspects which are at play. Well, it all begins with the publisher falling in love with the soul of a manuscript. That's where it begins. As Anu and I did with all these stories that have gone into this anthology. For you see, joining a publisher's hat and journeying through the stages of the publishing life cycle is about experiencing another creative dimension. It is about guiding, nudging, coaxing the raw manuscript into a completed book to be released to the world. And most importantly, without compromising, most importantly, again, I stress, without compromising on the unique voice of the author, in this case, authors. And of course, ensuring a relevant look and feel for the book, both inside and outside. A look and feel that complements the theme, the mood, the atmosphere, and the tone of all the stories. So when Anu and I decided to channel all these creative energies captured so beautifully in the stories towards a charitable cause and saw the same sentiment echoed by all these little authors, it brought this creative experience to a full circle for us. And as we pondered over identifying a charitable organization, how do we go about it? Who do we reach out to? It just clicked. Inner Wheel just immediately clicked for us as the natural choice. And for me, having personally connected with Inner Wheel members, thanks to Sarla, and I see many of you here today, and having experienced a literary event conducted by you all, and seeing the passion with which you pursue social causes, I was completely convinced, and so was Anu. And so we approached Inner Wheel with a proposal, and we were so thrilled when you all accepted our humble gesture. The social purpose and intent that is tied to this book totally enhanced and made the entire process from the conception to the book release very intense, heartwarming, and deeply fulfilling. And on this note, I would like to turn it over to Delna, the president of Inner Wheel Club of Bangalore IT Corridor for 2021. We would love to know more about the Inner Wheel organization, Delna.
Thank you, Raji and Anu. This is a wonderful, wonderful initiative that you both have so passionately taken forward. I think I can just see it's dripping with passion, if I can say that. But just a little bit about our organization. We are an international organization, which we are in Inner Wheel Club of Bangalore. IT Corridor is the name of our club. And we are part of an international organization, structured organization, which is in International Inner Wheel, which goes across 104 countries all over the world. And we are one of the largest women's service organizations, which carries the motto friendship and service, in that order, friendship and service. Over to you, Sarla.
So Inner Wheel is it's the ladies' wing of the Rotary, and the wheel depicts continuous service and ever-expanding friendship. We have in our membership very vibrant and forward-looking women, and the focus is mostly on service on communities locally, nationally, and internationally. So today in the city of Bangalore, we have about 40 Inner Wheel clubs operating in different areas. Uma can take it forward now.
Inner Wheel IT Corridor is in our 10th year. We have a membership of around 30 women. We organize fundraisers to generate revenue, which is utilized for community service at different levels: government schools, orphanages, girl child education, women empowerment, medical aid, environment, etc. Now over to Sapna.
And coming to this wonderful project of ours that we are doing, and the funds raised by the sales of this book, will be going towards the purchase of tablets for the 10th graders. The 10th graders who are studying in Sai Gurukul School, Whitefield. Now, the speciality about Sai Gurukul School is that education is completely free right from nursery to the 10th grade. And the students here are primarily children of migrant laborers, security staff, domestic staff, and people of that particular thing. The present 10th grade has 10 students who will be taking the classes this term, and the tablets will be really, really helpful for them. Sharda? Over to you, Sharda.
She's on mute.
She's on
Needs
mute.
to unmute.
On mute. She's gone off video.
Sharda's
Okay, so if Sharda's not here, I can just chip in saying that, recently our club donated 5 tablets to one of the schools, the 9th grade students of a particular school in Kadugodi, PU College High School section in Kadugodi in Whitefield. And we were sort of completely stumped with the way these tablets have helped those students. The headmaster and headmistress kept giving us information about, to our president, about how the children had grouped together to put this to come, to very good use. And that is why we thought, only if we could afford something more for another set of children who are equally, sort of deserving of it. And that is when Raji's idea of doing this, it just sort of everything fell into place. And we decided that, we will take this forward. Everything from our side, from your side, from the children's side, everything has come together so beautifully. So we at InnoWheel Club Bangalore IT Corridor, we solicit everyone's support towards the success of this endeavor. After all, it is all to do with children's education and their future. So from our side, we would like to render any help that we can to ease the current predicament of online tutorials. Delna?
I think Shantaji wants to talk. I think she's just
Yeah,
unmuted herself. Yes.
Yeah. Sharda, you can chip in.
I would like to chip in a little bit about this tablet, how it is being controlled by, the organizers. This is connected with Life Beyond School, who is supplying this tablets to these children, and the entire program is controlled by them, like how many hours they are studying, how much are they studying. Every year, every day, the children is monitored by these people, like whether they studied 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour. If they have misused the tablet, they will lock the tablet from their end and tell the children that you have not studied today, so you cannot use it, and I will lock it. So the children complains that I'm not able to use it. So then immediately he comes back and says that, see, today you have misused it, so you cannot use it. If you continue to misuse, you will not get the facility of this tablet. This is given for you to study, not to misuse it. And if you score, every day they are supposed to be sending score sheet to the organizer. And they are connected directly to Khan Academy by these people. So the lessons, everything is sent by Khan Academy, monitored by these people. I am one of the, they have put me in the WhatsApp group, so I am also able to monitor how they're progressing. So the children do it dedicatedly. One tablet is shared by 5 children. One does one day, the second day another child gets it, third day another child gets it, and everything is monitored. So there is no misuse, and the children are highly benefited.
Thank you for that. Thank you so much for that information.
That's excellent.
Sharda ji, yes.
Yeah, sorry, I suddenly had a connectivity issue. Anyway, the point that I wanted to make was that for us at IT Corridor and for all the work that we do, it is a coming together beautifully actually of many things we love: reading, writing, children, and now, tied up with all these causes that we love, and we have seen so much progress. So this, like they say, when things have to happen and they happen, magic is created. And I cannot, express how happy we are to be part of this wonderful project. And we expect it to be a wonderful success too.
Thank you. Thank you so much, because for Raj and I think I can voice, her sentiments as well here. For us, this is the beginning of many more things to come. We would want to be associated with InnoWheel. This is now, like I said, right, since the book has already been attached, I think there's no escape for us. So for life, the book is going to be there. So it's nice. It's nice, and for us, it is like, you know, it was also spreading a message to the children that it's never just about you. You're just such a small speck in the universe. So there's so much more. So we wanted to sow that seed right at the beginning, so they understand for life it's about being out there, being a contributor. I think that is what we wanted to start. And for us, like Raji very beautifully said, right from the conception till the time that you're seeing the book, I know the effort, you know, that, you know, has gone behind it by the children, by each one of us. I think it's simply the divine's grace. I mean, there's nothing else that we can say. So the synchronicity between Inner Wheel and Rain Canvas is very beautifully brought this, and thank you so much for that. I think somebody's newly joined. Would someone like to say anything? Yeah, Delna. Yes, sure.
I would like to thank you on behalf of Inner Wheel Club, of all of us at Inner Wheel Club of Bangalore IT Corridor, for this wonderful, wonderful initiative that you have started off. I express my total and absolute gratitude and appreciation for the passion that you have put into this thing. I can see that there's been a lot of work. I didn't realize it was over the past 4 years. We thought it was a much shorter workshop that you had had.
The training
Select us to do this, to partner with you on this project. It's like a dream come true for us. It's been, I think it's almost a magical matrimony, if I can say, you know.
I like the word.
It's been really amazing, like how it has just, you know, fallen into place magically, you know, so seamlessly. You know, it was never a doubt in our minds. And I think I think it's the same the way it's come from Anu and you right now, and Anu and Raji. Yeah. So both of you are talking about. But it's wonderful, and I would really like to thank all of you and Rain Canvas for this wonderful initiative. It's a novel idea and perfect on every win-win for everybody. And we are so indebted to you for partnering with us on this. Really wonderful. Thank you so very much.
You know, I just wanted to add one of the feedback. One of the feedback which I got from one of my neighbors in our community, and she said, "You mean to say that you get to read a book and you do charity? That's cool." You know, and I mean, it was the marriage, as Delna said, the marriage of these two concepts have come together so beautifully. And people are happy. They are happy to do this double, whammy, as it is a double whammy. So thank you very much, all of you.
There's more to come.
There's
more to come. We will always keep you all in the loop. For us, it's like, you know, it's not about having one project and saying, okay, tata, bye-bye, we have done that thing. No. Connections are made from the heart. And I think we genuinely connect with each one of you. And absolutely, let the divine just bless your path, because there's such wonderful work each one of you are doing. We are, you know, we really feel humbled, you know, to be associated with you as well. The Rain Canvas has got this opportunity.
We feel humbled and honored all at the same time, if that's possible.
Oh wow! Yes, we can run a mutual admiration society here.
The one thing I'd like to jump in here and say.
Yeah, sorry.
I think the one thing we can all say is that we need to go out and push this so that we can raise the funds and do the work on the ground and make the difference. And so we all emerge winners from this, you know.
Absolutely.
We truly make a difference. Yeah.
Absolutely. So if we can all, you know, Raji, I think, you know, Raji had suggested that all of us can just show the, you know, poster if we can. So if it's on that thing, so that our viewers can see, okay. This is Medley of Tales. Okay, when we release this video, please see Medley of Tales. It's available in paperback and on Kindle. Okay, and this is not just to encourage kids. It's not just to encourage the children who've written, but it's instilling that hope that when they've joined and partnered for a larger cause, fuel that for them. Tell them that what they're thinking was right. I want each one of you to buy this book, not just to make them famous, but to tell them that they've been associated with a beautiful cause and they are thinking right. They are on the right path. Raji, you want to say something to close this? Is it? We love this cover. Thanks, Raj, for, you know, designing such a beautiful cover. Raji, would you want to wrap this up for us?
Yes, Anu. Again, this is so delightful, so amazing. to be here today. And as Anu said, this is a book cover that you're seeing in front of you, and the book is now available on Amazon, the print version, and as well as the Kindle version. And the Kindle version is available globally, and the print version will also soon be available globally. So we solicit all your support, all the viewers out there, towards making this endeavor, this creative endeavor, a huge success. A creative endeavor that basically ties into a beautiful social purpose.
Yes, so it's about doing, it's about doing our bit. So this is the Do My Bit social project from Rain Canvas along with Inner Wheel. Thank you so much, lovely people. I mean, God bless your hearts. God bless your hearts. I mean, this has been, I'm having goosebumps right now. I get goosebumps like just like that.
Same here. And
Me
thanks
too,
to all the
We're
children,
on the
all
same
the
page.
little authors.
We're totally on the same page. Sorry.
And yes, thank each one of the authors. Like Raji was saying, they're so thrilled. Let me tell you, they've been like constantly telling me, Anu auntie, Raji auntie, I mean, are we authors? And I said, you're just not authors, darlings. You'll have made a difference to somebody's life. Please understand that. So it's not sunk in.
Of a lifetime you've given them.
And it's not sunk in for them because they're too little. Some of them as little as 11 and 12. Please read them, each one of you, and please encourage. So whoever's watching, you know what you have to do.
Yeah, waiting to read.
Tomorrow it's going to be released. So let's have fun. September 27th. Thank you so much, lovely people.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
All the very best.
Thank
All the best to all of us. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you, Anu and Raji.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.